Welcome to the language world. Today we are learning the 25 most frequently used words in daily life. Hello.
Bună!
Bye.
La revedere!
Yes.
Da!
No.
Nu!
Thank you.
Mulțumesc!
You're welcome.
Cu plăcere!
Sorry.
Scuze!
How are you?
Ce mai faci?
Good.
Bine!
Bad.
Rău!
It's okay.
Bine!
Maybe.
Poate!
Of course.
Desigur!
I.
Eu!
You.
Tu!
You.
Dumneavoastră!
He.
El!
She.
Ea!
We.
Noi!
They.
Ei!
What?
Ce?
When?
Când?
Where?
Unde?
Why?
De ce?
How?
Cum?
Yesterday.
Ieri!
Today.
Astăzi!
Tomorrow.
Mâine!
Now.
Acum!
Home.
Casă!
Work.
Muncă!
Friend.
Prieten!
Family.
Familie!
Here.
Aici!
There.
Acolo!
This.
Acesta!
That.
Acela!
Day.
Zi!
People.
Oameni!
And.
Și!
But.
Dar!
Because.
Pentru că!
To do.
A face!
To go.
A merge!
To be.
A fi!
To have.
A avea!
To want.
A vrea!
To see.
A vedea!
To come.
A veni!
To say.
A spune!
Quiz time.
Tu! Tu! Desigur! Desigur!
The answer is.
Mulțumesc! Mulțumesc! La revedere! La revedere.
The correct answer is
Când. Când. A veni. A veni. Acolo. Acolo.
The answer is
Acum. Acum. Casă. Casă.
The correct answer is
A merge. A merge. Prieten. Prieten.
Leave your answer in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to learn more languages. See you in the next videos.